CompTIA Tech Plus Certification Exam Preparation Quiz. Question 1. A user is explaining the basic computing process to a colleague and mentions that data must go through several stages before it can be used or displayed. Which of the following best describes the correct order of the input, processing, output, and storage cycle in a typical computing system? Is it? Option A, input dash, output dash, processing dash storage. Option B, processing dash, input dash, storage dash, output. Option C, input dash, processing dash, output dash, storage. Option D, storage dash, input dash, processing dash, output. The correct answer is C. Rationale. Input dash, processing dash, output dash, storage, option C, is correct because data first enters the system, input, is manipulated by the CPU, processing, is presented to the user, output, and may be saved for later use, storage. Option A is incorrect. Processing must occur before output. Option B is incorrect. Processing cannot occur before input. Option D is incorrect. Storage is typically the final stage, not the first. Question 2. When converting colors for web design or understanding memory addresses, which notational system is most commonly used because it is compact and easy to read for representing binary values? Is it? Option A, decimal. Option B, octal. Option C, binary. Option D, hexadecimal. The correct answer is D. Rationale. Hexadecimal, option D, is correct because it uses base 16 with digits 0 to 9 in AF, representing 4 binary bits per character, making it compact and human-readable. Option A is incorrect. Decimal is base 10 and does not map cleanly to binary. Option B is incorrect. Octal is base 8 and less common in modern computing. Option C is incorrect. Binary is verbose and difficult for humans to read. Question 3. A technician is comparing storage capacities for different devices and needs to explain to a client why a smartphone with 128 gigabytes of storage can hold far more photos than one with only 32 gigabytes. Which unit of measure represents the largest capacity in this comparison? Is it? Option A, megabyte MB. Option B, gigabyte GB. Option C, terabyte TB. Option D, kilobyte KB. The correct answer is C. Rationale. Terabyte TB, option C, is correct because it is the largest unit listed. 1 terabyte equals 1024 gigabytes. Option A is incorrect. MB is smaller than GB. Option B is incorrect. GB is larger than MB but smaller than TB. Option D is incorrect. KB is the smallest unit listed. Question 4. A help desk technician receives a call from a user who cannot access the internet on their laptop, even though other devices on the same network work fine. Using the CompTIA troubleshooting methodology, what should the technician do first? Is it? Option A, establish a theory of probable cause. Option B, identify the problem. Option C, test the theory to determine the cause. Option D, document findings, actions, and outcomes. The correct answer is B. Rationale. Identify the problem, option B, is correct because the first step in the CompTIA troubleshooting methodology is to gather information and identify the problem. Option A is incorrect. Establishing a theory comes after identifying the problem. Option C is incorrect. Testing the theory is the third step. Option D is incorrect. Documentation is the final step. Question 5. An organization is purchasing new computing devices for employees who need to work remotely and occasionally present to clients. Which device would best balance portability, performance, and the ability to connect external displays? Is it? Option A, smartphone. Option B, gaming console. Option C, laptop. Option D, IoT thermostat. The correct answer is C. Rationale. Laptop, option C, is correct because it offers portability, sufficient performance for business tasks, and video output ports for external displays. Option A is incorrect. Smartphones are portable but less suited for presentations and peripheral connections. Option B is incorrect. Gaming consoles are not designed for general business productivity. Option D is incorrect. IoT thermostats are specialized devices, not general-purpose computers. Question 6. Inside a desktop computer, a component is responsible for connecting the CPU, RAM, storage drives, and expansion cards while providing pathways for data transfer. What is the primary purpose of this component? Is it Option A, to supply power to all parts? Option B, to cool the system? Option C, to act as the main circuit board, motherboard? Option D, to store long-term data? The correct answer is C. Rationale. To act as the main circuit board, motherboard, option C, is correct because the motherboard connects all components and provides data buses. Option A is incorrect. The power supply provides power. Option B is incorrect. Cooling is done by fans and heat sinks. Option D is incorrect. Storage is handled by HDDs/SSDs. How many did you score out of 6? Comment your score down below and visit @pokerexams.com for more practice questions. Bye.